Compat Ella is delivered with an AC charger and country-specific adapters which can be changed if needed. Once Compat Ella is plugged in, the AC power status lights up and the battery starts to charge. Full recharge time is about 6 hours. Switch Compat Ella on by pressing and holding the on-off button for 2 seconds until you hear 3 tones and see all the screen segments. If you do not hear the tones or do not see all screen segments, do not use the pump. To switch Compat Ella off, hold the on-off key for 2 seconds. All feeding program parameters, volume history, and user settings are kept in memory for use next time. Compat Ella administration sets have a patented auto anti-free flow mechanism to help improve patient safety. The auto anti-free flow safety feature is automatically activated until the set is correctly inserted in the pump and the door is closed. The pump then takes control of the flow of fluids. The N+ connector only fits into corresponding N+ ports, now standard on most Enteral feeding containers. To load an administration set, open the door, wrap the loop around the rotor and stretch the tubing by pulling the cassette to the right until it gently snaps into place. Shut the door by pressing on the green hexagon. Press and hold the prime button for 2 seconds to prime automatically. While priming, the pump displays the run icon together with the priming message. You may stop auto prime early by pressing the prime button again. When priming is complete, the tubing should be checked to ensure that it is completely filled. If additional priming is required, the auto prime can be repeated. Press the Start/Pause button to acknowledge the end of priming alarm. Compat Ella retains all volume history values in memory. The volume given this therapy should always be cleared when starting a new feeding program. Failure to do so may result in a premature end of therapy alarm. At any time, press the info button to review the volume given this therapy. Press the clear button to clear the value. Compat Ella has 2 operational modes, continuous and interval. Continuous mode is used to deliver nutrition at defined rates, with or without a volume limit. Press the program button to access and scroll through set rate and then on to set volume. Pressing the program button again cycles back to set rate. Use the plus and minus buttons to define the rate at which the pump will run, from 1 to 600 millilitres per hour. Pressing the clear button will reset the value to default. Press the program button to advance to the set volume screen. The default setting is continuous, shown as cont on the screen, which means the pump will run until the nutrition container is empty.
press the clear button to quickly set the value to cont or continuous. If a target volume is desired, it can be set from 1 to 4,000 millilitres using the plus and minus buttons. Both rate and volume must be reviewed before starting any new feeding programme. There is no need to save any programmed values, as all values are automatically saved by the pump, even after the pump is turned off. When the pump is turned back on, the last programmed values for flow rate and volume are shown. Additionally, all historical feed volumes are also remembered, as well as any other user settings.
Compat Ella has been designed to be easy to use and run. When starting a new feeding program, ensure the values for rate and volume are correct. Ensure that the pump is primed and connected to the patient. Press the Start button to run the feeding program. The green rotating run icon shows that the pump is functioning correctly, and the run screen also always shows the following information: programmed rate, programmed volume to be given, the volume given so far this feeding program, press the pause button to pause the pump. The run icon disappears and a pump paused message is shown. Use pause to interact with the pump, such as to change the programmed rate or volume. The pause button is also used to acknowledge alarms. Press the Start button to resume the feeding program when ready.